Hey everyone, I'm JB, and I'm all about turning dreams into dollars. From tips on saving money to clever side hustles, I'm here to help you make that cash flow. If you want to learn more about building your financial future, hit that subscribe button and join me on this exciting journey.
Ever wondered how you can create sticky animation like Rico? Here in this video, I will be reviewing the viral Rico sticky animation that can actually make you millions of views when you get to post them on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and probably is monetizable. The good news is that there isn't much competition, you can grow quickly and earn much money online with this simple trick that blows up this sticky guy. So first thing first, you visit Adobe Express Animator, which is completely free. And first, we need a script. You visit your Google search bar, but this time we're not using ChatGPT for this. Try looking for funny story like Pinterest, Quora, or Reddit. For example, open your browser, type in funny conversation between boy and a girl. Then add the platform name like Reddit, Quora, or Pinterest. You will see many results. Click on the one with high engagement. For instance, the one with higher vote. I'll copy this conversation into my Google Doc. Now it's time to bring our script to life with the help of this AI tool. I will be leaving the link in the description below, and you copy and paste in your script to generate voiceover, and kindly pick up the one that best match your curiosity. Let's download it by clicking right here, and boom. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and hit the subscribe button so this video can actually reach a wider audience. Now it's time to create our sticky animation and bring them all to life. Adobe Express Animator. You quickly sign up with your Google account. You will land on this page right here. On the left bar, you click on the plus icon and click on the quick actions. In the search bar, type in animate and you click on animate from the audio option. Here is where the magic begins. You see a lot of characters, but we are here for our sticky guy. Next, you pick the aspect ratio for your video. For the background, you can upload yours or pick the one that fits your taste right here. Once you find the perfect background, it's time to animate. And right here, you can even record your own voice by clicking right here. But we have our voiceover ready. You click on browser and upload the voiceover, and boom, awesome, right? And you click on this button, select the video, and you scroll down and click on the icon to flip. It looks more natural this way to download, and you simply click on download just like this, and boom, it's saved on our device. You can do this in every scene just like this, and you will get the exact same result. So feel free to subscribe to this channel because the next video coming will leave you speechless. See you in the next video. Stay safe. Peace out.